security is a multi-layered approach to keeping your business secure. So there's going to be a lot of different things. So first of all, having again your systems patched. Microsoft and Apple release patches on a regular basis for their machines, their operating systems, and so keeping those on those automatic schedules, rebooting your computer regularly to make sure that those patches do get applied the first basic step. That's free. There's nothing that you need to really do except let it do it. It'll even come up and remind you, hey, there's a patch for Chrome or for Adobe or whatever, and so let it go through those processes so it updates your software, reboot when it's finished. And I know it's a little pain sometimes, but go ahead and do that. Other things are to have some good security software on the machine. So antivirus is not enough nowadays. You need antivirus. Another software that's really good for the computer is called MXDR, which is managed extended managed detection and response, and the X is for extended networks. And so what that does is that's actually monitoring for hacker behavior. And that could be the same behavior that a network administrator is doing as well. But it's just looking to see what kind of things are happening. So if I try to, let's say, remote into your computer and we're on the same network at 2 o'clock in the morning, it's going to kind of flag that and say, well, that's kind of odd. Greg doesn't normally try to remote into Raj's computer at all, let alone at 2 o'clock in the morning. And that's a big red flag. So someone at that point is going to start looking at that and seeing if that's malicious or not.